Hello guys. So I think we found the place. I think the house hunting has come to an end. Anyway, before we get into the entirety of this video, Merry Christmas guys. I've not filmed a real-time video in a while. So sorry. But it's 3 minutes past 8 a.m. and we're commuting to where we're gonna do the viewing for this property. As a matter of fact, something that we already started already. Kay had gone to see the place, but I wanted to see the place myself to be sure that was something I liked. So we had an appointment for 10 a.m. Because we didn't know how the whole road would be. We're like, let's just use Uber. But on the Uber, I didn't do my makeup. I'd washed my hair. So I'd washed my hair the previous night and I had it coiled, so that's why it's matted looking like this. Over time I've learned that when I'm in a hurry and I need to go anywhere with makeup and I'm using the train, that time I used to sit down for the commute. I just use it to do my makeup. So this commute was meant to be 20 minutes or less than 18 minutes thereabouts. So I'm like, let me do my makeup. I even forgot a lot of things, so but anyway, we got to the train station. We found our platform on the notice board, and then we went on to print our tickets because we had bought tickets online. I was going to try and wear my coat here, but me and the team were struggling. Who doesn't like a little cute mirror selfie? So got on the escalator. Our train was already due, so we're really in a rush, running. Like we had less than 5 minutes to be on the coach, otherwise we missed it. So it was 8:25. So this was just us coming to meet the train about to board. Is it just me, or when you get to wherever you're going to, you want to be sure so that you don't enter the wrong train? I knew that this was a platform, but I just had that thing in me wanting to ask. I was asking the train advisor to say, oh please, I hope this is the right train, and he said yes. So got on it, found a seat, sat down, and I started my makeup immediately because no time to waste. And that was when I realized I'd left my concealer, I'd left my brow gel. I barely do my brows lately. I'm mostly always just using my brow gel. So I did a mini setup. I don't like to put my makeup products anywhere. I must always, put it in a tissue. And then I have my perfume. Yes, Ellie. Yes, Ellie. Yes, Ellie. I had to comb my hair as well. Yes, baby. How can I help you? Come and say hello. Say hi. I had help you, okay? I just had everything that I needed to, get ready. But anyway, while I also filmed a small makeup content because I'd done this before and it really went viral on TikTok. And I think I gained about 500 followers from that video on TikTok. The most random videos that actually go. See, I'll show you guys my brush because I applied my products on the brush because I didn't want to carry a big purse, so I just carried the brushes. So that's eyeshadow and blush in that thing, and that was me creating the content for TikTok and also Instagram. Yeah, no content is a waste. See, I live by this NARS foundation right now. The shade and everything, I just really love it. I really love it. I've enjoyed using it so far. Anyways, that's me getting ready. I just want to ask you, how's the year been for you? I know that as the year is coming to an end, some people are going to have that pressure of, oh, I need to achieve this, oh, the year didn't do this for me. I just hope that you find, Thanksgiving in the little things, At the end of the year, I think the last quarter of this year has been more even difficult than the first quarter of the year for me for some reason. But then I'm also just looking for those little things that I'm really thankful for and finding joy in them. Thankfully, the conference we had in church has really helped me, and it was just about joy. So this was me and Ellie because she woke up, she didn't see us. She called me with my sister's phone. At this point was where we were trying to catch another train. So thinking that the train will be going back to where we're coming from. Alas, these trains, they don't work that way. You know, when you think, okay, if I go on the opposite direction, it's going to bring me back from where I'm coming from. We saw ourselves in a city we were not going to. This was me laughing at myself. So we're just here at Wakefield, which wasn't where we were going. And I was like, see your life, Prudence, just because of you didn't get up on time, you know. And I was giving myself a few slaps because I felt somehow. Anyway, we got here, and it was just a very beautiful environment, just very quiet. It gave everything I wanted it to give. It was just exactly what I'd seen online. Quiet, nice family area, and everything just ticked all the boxes for me with this place. Really, really, guys. I think even when we're going to do our mortgage, we're looking at this place. I think mortgage will be here or Wakefield. I'm not sure. That's just what I have in mind. And it's also cheaper. When we made our findings, we saw that some of the new builds were going for less than 200,000. And not bad. So meaning you're looking at a deposit of like 30 to 40k for a start with, you know, all those. I know mortgage advisors, sometimes they're free solicitor money, and I've been making inquiries, because something I'm really praying about, and I'm looking forward to us finally getting to do it. And we got to the place, and this is the beautiful place that we found. That's the garage you're seeing there with the white door and the entrance. They're still cleaning. Hopefully it gets all done by the time we finish the application. First and foremost, why did they not rug this entrance? Number one, Olemi are roasting the place, so it's beautiful. Two things that I really did not like was the fact that the kitchen was not downstairs. So when you go into your right is a toilet, just by the stairs. There's a toilet there. Yeah, with this, it's a whole setup, proper bath. And when you come out, there's a room to your left. There's a room to your left there. And then the space is quite decent. You can see the backyard or the garden from this window here. It's quite decent, looks really nice as well. We already have really lovely neighbors, by God's grace, hoping that we get this space. And then when you come here is the utility room. And from this room, you'll be able to go outside. And I'm wondering, who draw the plan of this house? Waiting the person be they think. Why did you guys draw it like this? Ideally, the kitchen should have been here. I like that the stairs is very wide, unlike the stairs we have here. So when you come in here, the first place is the living room and then the kitchen. Ask me, say, waiting they think build this kitchen like so. The kitchen is quite small for the size of the house. That's what I think. I feel like here, you hardly get a perfect house. It's either the stairs is funny or something just going on. Like this one now. Why the kitchen not the downstairs? You know, that's just the only thing. And then the master's bedroom, I think the master's bedroom is small. So this is the living room, very big. I like how big this living room is. Even bigger than our current living room. Very big, very wide. I'm already thinking of how I'm going to decorate it. So wherever you are in this house, you can see when the children are playing outside, which is something I really like, because we're mostly doing this move for the kids, for them to have the perfect space, you know, for them to have a garden. Because if you're doing anything as a parent, you're always thinking about your children. I like this mini walkway here, and then this stairs now leads to the bedrooms, which I'm thinking when you're cooking, will the food smell not be everywhere in the house? So first you're going to see the general bathroom here. I like I like the baths. It looks very neat and very nice, and it's also quite spacious, I would say. Nice size. So yeah, that's it. I don't talk well. And then here is the master's bedroom. I'm thinking, will our bed, the mistake I made was when I was coming, I would have carried the measuring tape. Will our bed and wardrobe enter this place? That's what I don't know. Will bed and wardrobe enter this place? And then it's ensuite. I like the ensuite idea, but the bathroom is quite small, but then decent enough. I'm just worried about the space for the bedroom. And then this is the other room. So there are 3 rooms in the house. I even think that this one is even more bigger. This one feels like it has more space than the other side, the other room. Or what do you guys think? So anyway, tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this place? What do you think about this place? Do you think we should settle for this one? I'm even tired of the house hunting, because first and foremost, the waka waka is not be small waka waka. And then this is the garage open. So of course this 2025, by the grace of God, we're gonna get a car. Ain't nobody gonna be jumping about with buses, because the bus, my sister, we thank God for bus, but 2025 we need to have a car with kids, school run and all of that. So this was us going back, tired, and I was also happy. Yeah, and the place is not really so far from the train station as well. So thank you guys for watching. See you in my next one.